Hi, my name is Eric Bell and welcome to Business 61 Intro to QuickBooks. I am thrilled to be working with you this semester and I know you're going to enjoy this class. This is one of those unique college courses that actually is going to give you a marketable skill, how to actually use and navigate QuickBooks online software. So I want to do three things. One, I want to introduce myself. Two, I want to talk a little bit about the course. And finally, I want to talk a little bit about online learning. So a little bit about myself. So I started my career off at an accounting firm called KPMG, where I worked as an auditor. And what an auditor does is they go and look at companies' financial statements and their financial reports to make sure that they're completed in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles, the rules of accounting. I did that for 8 years, and then I decided to switch career paths and I became a forensic accountant. Now, as a forensic accountant, what we're doing is we're looking at financial reports, but we're looking at them with an eye towards fraud or some sort of misappropriation of assets or some other reason why the financial statements aren't quite looking right. So a lot of that work was going to be used in the court of law. That's what forensic means. And so I did that work for about 8 years as well. While I was doing that, at both firms, I started teaching and I really found that I had a passion for teaching. So in 2015, I decided to switch career paths again and become a full-time accounting professor at Las Positas College. So in addition to teaching online, I also teach live courses on campus at Las Positas College. Now, this course, QuickBooks Online, is going to be extremely helpful to you. QuickBooks is probably the most popular software that's used for small and mid-sized companies in terms of doing their accounting. So regardless of whether you work in accounting or if you work in marketing or if you work in administrative services, if you're working for a small to mid-sized company and they're using QuickBooks, this skill that you're going to take away from this course, you can use this skill and this information to actually go in and be a huge benefit to the company that you're working for. So the way the course is set up is every week you're going to see a new module pop up. The modules are set up by chapters. Usually we'll do one chapter every 2 weeks. So when a new chapter comes online, you'll see that there will be homework assignments, 2 homework assignments. There'll be 1 chapter quiz and then 1 chapter exam. So you'll have 2 weeks to complete the chapter quiz. You'll have 2 weeks to complete the chapter exam. However, with the homework, just to make sure that we're also all keeping pace, there'll be homework assignments that have to be turned in at the end of every week. So make sure that you're mindful of the due dates that are in Canvas when you're preparing your schedule. The last thing I want to talk about is on online learning. Now, online learning is wonderful because it offers a lot of flexibility for you and a lot of flexibility for me too as the instructor. The challenge is that we have to make sure that we stay engaged with each other. Now, the textbook is actually really good. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how you're to complete the assignments. And if you follow along with that book and you're disciplined, you're going to do great in this class. But if you find yourself struggling and needing that extra push, that's where the challenge with online learning is going to come. So in every module, there's going to be an opportunity for you to ask questions. There's also going to be discussion boards that we're going to engage. My desire, my hope for you is that you're going to engage in those discussions. When you read the syllabus, and please make sure you take time to read the syllabus, you'll see the office hours. I have office hours that are online. I also have office hours that are live. So if you can make it up to the Las Positas College campus, we can sit down live and walk through anything that you have. But with online learning, it's really all about discipline. And I want you all to be extremely successful, but a lot of that is going to be on you being disciplined to say, these are my assignments, this is what to do, and making sure that you're keeping pace with the course on a weekly basis. So I'll stop there. Looking forward to reading your posts to get to know each and every one of you, and I look forward to having a wonderful semester. Thanks. Bye.